An expert guide on how to renovate your wooden kitchen worktops. Damage from daily use can leave your worktop looking tired, so here's what you need. Barrettine's Armourflex Worktop Oil, methylated spirit, an orbital sander, masking tape, lint-free cloths, a quality brush. You'll also need 120 grit sanding pads. Mask off any sinks, cookers and any edges you want to protect, and take the bottom of the worktop to catch any drips. It's also good practice to lay down a dust sheet to protect the floor from any spill. The worktop here had thick build-up of old coating, so we used a scraper first to sanding cause it to melt and smear. If yours isn't like this, you can go straight into the sanding. Start with 120 grit to strip the old finish back using a cross motion, and then move to a 240 grit for a smooth final surface. Vacuum the worktop to remove dust, then wipe down with methylated spirit to deep clean the wood. This evaporates quickly, leaving the surface dry and ready for coating. Give the oil a good shake, then pour it into a paint kettle and stir well. Apply the oil in a thin, even layer and work it into the surface. Allow 15 minutes for penetration, then wipe away any excess residue with a lint-free cloth before applying the second coat. 2 coats give the best protection and durability. Use less product on the second coat and wipe away any excess for a clean finish. Drying time is around 4 hours at normal room temperature, about 23 degrees Celsius, but we'd recommend leaving it overnight. Once cured, your worktop will have a beautiful natural finish that's stain resistant, scratch resistant, and fully certified food safe. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Armourflex Worktop Oil can be purchased from our distribution outlets and on Amazon. Happy renovating.